Hi friends! Now that we have finished our learning with the insect research report for the day, it is time for us to reflect or think back about our experience today and how we're doing with our learning goal. If you haven't already grabbed your collaboration checklist, please do that now. And if you are following along virtually, you can open this up from our classroom website to complete and turn in that way. Okay. So even though we are studying insects in our research, our learning goal is around collaboration. Ooh, that's a big word. Can I hear you say that, friends? Collaboration. That's right. Our learning goal says, I can collaborate with my friends to learn more about a topic. Can you tell me that learning goal, friends? I can collaborate with my friends to learn more about a topic. That's right. As we are working on our insect research report, we are collaborating with our friends cooperatively to help us learn about a topic. At the beginning of the lesson, everyone came up with their own goal for being a cooperative, collaborative partner. If you need to pause the video right now, you can pause and reread your goal to yourself. Once you have it in your mind, you can unpause the video. Okay, friends, do you have your goal in mind? Great. Now, we're going to reflect on how we did with that goal. Take a look at this plant picture here. You can see there are 3 different plants in 3 different stages. The first one is still a seed beginning to sprout. If you feel like maybe you didn't get a chance to practice your goal today, or maybe you don't understand how to practice your goal, you might circle this one. If you feel like you started to practice your goal today and it's starting to help you work with your friends, you might circle the sprout, the middle plant. If you feel like you got to practice your goal today and it helped you work with your friends and helped your collaboration be successful and cooperative, you can circle the plant. Go ahead and make a choice, and if you need to pause the video to think about it a little more, you can. Okay, friends, thank you for filling out your collaboration checklist. Let's move on to some of the other things that we talked about that help make you a cooperative, collaborative partner. If you didn't get a chance to practice any of these things today, you can just leave it blank. Otherwise, think about how well you did with that skill. I will read them and you can make the choice. I can share my ideas. I can listen and learn. I can respond to my partner or partners. I can be a role model. I can be empathetic and flexible. I can contribute to the group. Thank you for filling out your collaboration checklist, friends. If you have extra time, you can write a sentence reflecting even further or make a picture on the back showing a way that you collaborated with friends today. Thanks again.